In this short tutorial we're going to go over two features because they're rather simple and easy to use. These two features mostly you would use while you're editing, although if you catch a break in the middle of a session you could always go back and use these. So the first one we're going to play with is what we call autocomplete. And what that is using abbreviations and then expanding those to a phrase. To enable autocomplete, we're going to hit Control M within a job. That's going to open up our editor preferences. And we're going to go back over to Edit and then down toward the bottom, click on autocomplete and then click on Edit the autocomplete table. I'm just going to add an abbreviation, OTC. And for that I'm going to say that means on the record. I can add a return and another return so that it will be on its own line. It won't be justified, but it will be on its own line. So I'm going to click on OK. Click on OK again, and all the way out of Preferences I'll put my cursor here. And you have to do it in the case that you put the abbreviation in. So I'm going to do OTC, hit the space bar, and there it is. So you can do that with all kinds of things like HI for Hawaii, CA for California, off the record, recess taken, anything that possibly you use continually and that possibly you missed while you were writing. So that's a handy dandy little feature. The other one is right clicking and giving you the ability to change a word on the fly based on its possibilities. For instance, let's say I misstroked panel and I really wanted it to be paneling. I can right click on panel, come down to the bottom and select paneling. This won't work for something that has a morphological on it, but for the most part it works for everything else. So I can come down just a little bit. Let's find another word to play with. Here we go. Here's relatively, which is a morphological. So that wouldn't work, but here's straight, and I can select from those two. How about criminal? Criminal or criminally? Criminals or criminally. So I can choose from either one of those. Now that's not to be confused with a conflict. As you see, criminal or criminally is down at the bottom of our right click area, and a conflict will be at the top of our right click feature. Anyways, I hope this helps you edit better. Thanks for watching this short tutorial, and I'll see you in my next one.